Hello again. At last, the government have abandoned all pretense and admitted what many of us have suspected to be true for a long while, namely that our rights are worth less than those of asylum seekers. Epping Forest Council won an injunction last week allowing them to close down the Bell Hotel and to have the asylum seekers living there removed. In documents submitted to the Court of Appeal today, lawyers for the Home Office argued as follows, and I quote, Epping represents the public interest that subsists in planning control in its local area. The Home Secretary is taken for these purposes as representing the public interest of the entirety of the United Kingdom and discharging obligations conferred on her alone by Parliament. Epping's interest in enforcement of planning control is important and in the public interest. However, the Home Secretary's statutory duty is a manifestation of the United Kingdom's obligations under Article 3 of the European Convention on Human Rights, which establishes non-derogable fundamental human rights. Put into plain language, this means that the rights of the British people living in Epping are of less importance than the rights of the asylum seekers in the Bell Hotel, because the rights of the people of Epping are a local issue, whereas the rights of the asylum seekers, as established by the European Convention of Human Rights, are a national issue. And right there you have it. The rights of the people of Epping are trumped by the rights of the asylum seekers in that hotel. This is one of the most shocking things I've ever heard a Home Secretary argue. The cat is well and truly out of the bag now, and there will be some very angry people in Epping tonight, and, unless I'm very much mistaken, across the rest of the country too. This situation gets more serious and alarming with every passing day, and if this doesn't provoke serious protests on the streets, then I'd be very surprised. It was an unimaginably stupid thing for the government to have said.